Hey, so 2.1, we are starting talking about slope from a graph. Go ahead and put your name on here. And it is first hour. Okay, the steepness of a line is called its slope. We are spending the whole week on slope. Today, we're looking at graphs. Tomorrow, Wednesday, whatever day I see you, we are looking at a table. And then Friday, we will look at two ordered pairs. So by the end of the week, you will know how to find slope in 3 different ways. For today, we are just starting with one representation. So, first thing, when we find slope given the graph or 2 points on a line, we start by plotting the 2 points on the line. That's why I had you guys grab rulers. Sometimes you will have to graph the 2 points. After we have those 2 points, we are always going to start from the left. We read from left to right. We are always going to read our slopes from left to right as well. So start on the left, move to the right. Starting on the left helps us make sure that our slopes are correctly positive or negative. So you find your rise or fall of your line. So if we start on the left, we're going to see how much up we go or how much down we go. The rise of a line going up will be positive. If from left to right we are going down, that will be negative. If you want to put little arrows by that, that might help you. So left to right, if we're going up, that's positive. Left to right, if we're going down, that's negative. Then we are going to find the run of our line. To find the run, we always run to the right. We start on the left, we run to the right. Okay. Your formula for slope today, you guys have probably heard rise over run. So slope is rise over run. We are going to add one more word into that, which is rise over run right. That way we can just always make sure we're running to the right. Start at the left, run to the right. Okay. We have 4 types of slope that we are going to see. Oh, one more thing. M is the letter that always stands for our slope. So M is always just the letter that stands for slope. So M equals slope. We'll use it in formulas later this unit, but right now, just M is slope. Okay. There are 4 types of slopes you're going to see. A positive slope, as we're going from left to right, is going to be going up. A negative slope, as we go from left to right, so start anywhere on the left, is going to be going down. That line's not straight. That line should be straight. A slope of 0 is going to be straight side to side. The reason why 0 slope is straight side to side is rise over run. Our rise would be 0. Our run would be a number, and 0 divided by anything equals 0. So that's why our slope is 0. Okay, and then our last type of slope is an undefined slope. An undefined slope is straight up and down. And the reason why an undefined slope is straight up and down is your rise is any number, and your run is 0. Are we allowed to divide by 0? No. We did that last unit. So that's why it's undefined. And I'm just going to abbreviate that to UND. Okay. Any questions right now? Okay. Today, all we are doing is practicing finding slope from a graph. So go look at our first two graphs. On these graphs, we already have the lines on there. We really clearly marked some points for you guys. So you can find any 2 points that are next to each other. So we can either use these 2 points or these 2 points. Don't use this point and this point, because then we'll just have to reduce, and there's no reason to make ourselves reduce a fraction if we don't have to. We are going to start at the point on the left. So I'm going to choose to use this point and this point. So we're going to start on the left, and we need to count how far we rise. So we're going to count how far we go up. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I like to draw a line there. Then we need to count how far we run. So we go straight to the right, 1. When we are finding our slope, I like to draw, I call them scallops. I like to count like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So our rise is 4 and our run is 1. So that means our slope is 4 over 1. We can write that as 4 over 1, or we can reduce it down, to be just 4. So 4 over 1 is a correct answer, and 4 is a correct answer. It's rise over run. When we are counting slope, we have to count the spaces, not the lines. If you count the lines, you're always going to be off by 1. And if we look at this, it makes sense that this is a positive slope, because from left to right, we're going up. Okay, the next one, we can use any 2 points that are next to each other. I'm going to use these 2 points here, just because they're very clearly out here to the left. So I start at the left one. I am moving down to get to the next point. So I'm going to draw a line straight down, and then a line straight to the right. So I draw this triangle so I know where I'm counting. How many spaces down do I go here? 2. So I go down 1, 2 spaces. So my slope is -2 over. I go to the right 1, 2, 3. So my slope is -2 over 3. Can that be reduced at all? No. Hey, any questions? Okay, flip this over then. We've got 2 more problems on the back. For the 2 problems on the back, though, we give you the ordered pairs, but they're not on the graph already. So this is when you're going to need a ruler. So plotting reminder, we just did this in our coordinate plane review. Our ordered pair is x comma y. Your x coordinate moves you right or left. So right is positive, left is negative. And your y coordinate moves you up or down. Up is positive, down is negative. Okay. So, we've got 2 ordered pairs here. We need to graph them both. So my first ordered pair is -1, 2. So that means I start at 0, 0. I go left 1 and up 2. I put a dot there. My other coordinate pair is -1, 6. So once again, I start at 0, 0. Make sure you always go back to the origin. I go left 1, up 6. What do you guys notice about these 2 points? They're on the same, they have the same x coordinate. They're right above each other. They're going to be undefined. Cool. Go ahead and connect these 2 points together. in a straight line.
1 second. Hold on 1 second. Is somebody from the west side?
Can you write down a phone number or something? Okay, so what is the rise between these 2 points? 4, okay. So our rise is 4. What is the run? 0. I do not go left or right at all. So 4 over 0. Am I allowed to divide by 0? No. So I don't even need to write that part down. I wanted you to write it down as a note. My slope here is undefined. Okay, last one. We've got -5, 4, and -3, -2. So I'm going to start at 0, 0. -5, 4. I go left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a dot there. And then -3, -2. I'm going to go left 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down 2, -3, -2. Okay, so get those points graphed. Go ahead and connect these dots together. What type of slope is this? What? Negative. Awesome. So let's go ahead and draw that triangle to the left. So I'm going to go down and to the right. When I count the spaces, I'm going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I go down 6. And I'm going to the right 2. 1, 2. So I've got -6 over 2. That fraction can be reduced. What can I divide 6 and 2 both by? 2. So if I divide the top by 2, I get -3. If I divide the bottom by 2, I get 1. So my slope is -3 over 1, or if I wanted to, I could just write -3. You can leave that over 1. I like to for slopes, but you don't have to. Okay, we are going to glue our notes into our notebook after our quick write page. Go ahead and leave the back of your quick write page blank, and then we will work on our assignment on Wednesday. Let me go ahead and stop this video.